We're going to do another custom aggregation function. Here we're going to find the percentage of employees by department with salaries greater than 100,000. So what percentage of police department employees make more than $100,000? Let's go ahead and create this percent greater than 100K. That'll be the name of the function. It's going to take a series as usual. So what we're going to do here is we're going to test the salaries, whether they're greater than 100,000. So let's get us a Boolean series. We take the mean of that, and that'll give you the percentage, should give you the percentage that are greater than 100,000. Right? So if you're not sure, you just do it for the entire data frame. You can just say percent GTK and just pass in the salary column. So it's 3.5% for the entire data frame. Now we're going to just do our normal group by, so go by department. This time I will do this method with the selection, and I'll do ag. And I'll just pass in percent greater than 100,000. So there we go. And again, we can round this to get an actual percentage. All right. So this is not, this actually does not account for missing values. So if you recall, there are some missing values in our salary column. So we see that there's actually 946. They're all in the police department, as we found out earlier. And what this does is it artificially lowers this percentage, because when you do S is greater than 100, it treats them all as false. So what we can do here is we'll create a new function called real, and we're going to drop the missing values first in our series and then compare it to 100. Let's go ahead and do this. And now we're going to get a slightly different result. You'll see that the police department is just a little bit different. So it changes to 1.4%, but it does make a difference because there are some missing values in that police department. All the others should be the same. So yeah, again, so we take our series of salaries, we drop the missing values, we compare them against 100,000. That gives us a Boolean series. So this is a Boolean series, and we take the mean and returning that one single number. That is an aggregation, which means we can pass it to the ag method over here.